Students, I welcome all of you to our YouTube channel. Last class we discussed the first SGP of your non-detailed study named A Tiger in the House. Today we will discuss the SGP 2 of this story A Tiger in the House. In the first SGP we have learned that how grandfather discovered Timothy in the Tarai jungle near Dehra and how he picked it up and brought him home. In the SGP 2, we will study how Timothy was brought up in the writer's house and what wild behavior developed in him and what made grandfather to transfer Timothy to a Jew. Let us study the SGP 2 of your non-detailed study, A Tiger in the House. Let us learn some unfamiliar words in the SGP 2. Let us study first your tempting diet. There is a word, tempting diet. Tempting diet means attracting food. The food which tempts us is called tempting diet. Attracting food. Next is your dart. Dart is a verb. Dart means run suddenly. Dart is a word. It has been used as a verb and its meaning is run suddenly. So another word that you will often find in the text, that is stalk. Stalk is also used as a verb. Stalk means follow quickly. Students, see the picture. Here a tiger is stalking to anybody. A tiger is stalking. Stalking means chasing or following quickly. Look at the picture. In this picture, a tiger is stalking to somebody. Tiger. Next unfamiliar words. Mongrel puppy. Mongrel is a kind of mixed dog breed. You can see the picture on the screen, mongrel puppy. This is a mixed dog breed, mongrel. You can see the picture, there are two pictures on the screen, mongrel puppy. There is another word, that is dash. Dash has been used as a verb. Here dash means beat somebody, dash. There is another word, that is reclining, recline. Its present participle is reclining. Reclining means lying. The dog is reclining on the table. Reclining means lying. Next word, snarl. Snarl is also has been used as a verb. Snarl, to show teeth and make a deep noise. To show teeth. Look at the picture. Here the tiger is snarling at somebody. The tiger is snarling. The tiger has showed his teeth and has made a deep noise. To show teeth and make a deep noise is called snarl. Here the tiger is snarling. There is another phrase in the SGP 2, that is saying in prophetic manner. Prophet is a noun and its adjective form is prophetic. Saying in a prophetic manner means saying what will happen in future, to foretell the future, to say in advance. Saying in a prophetic manner, that means saying what will happen in future. Prophet is a word, prophet is a noun and its adjective form is prophetic. Next is frenzied. Frenzied means frightening. Frenzied adjective, it has been used as an adjective, that means frightening. Next word, Pekingese. Let us see Pekingese. Pekingese is also a dog breed, a small dog with long soft hair. You can see the picture on the screen. There are two pictures of Pekingese. Pekingese means a small dog with long soft hair. Look at the dog. The dog has long soft hair. This is a type of dog breed, Pekingese. Another word is cackling. Cackling means loud, unpleasant noise. The noise which is not pleasant to our ears. Loud and unpleasant noise. Another word, that is villain. You have heard this word In film, we will find villain. Villain means the main bad character of a story, villain. And its adjective form is villainous. Villainous means very ill and unpleasant. Very ill and unpleasant. Villainous intent, মানে ill will, villainous. Villainous means very ill, villainous. Villainous is a word. Another word is a retriever. देखो retriever is also a dog breed, a large dog with thick black or light brown fur. Fur means hair. A large dog. You can see the picture of a retriever on the screen. That is a picture of retriever, a large dog with thick black or light brown fur. There is another word in this SGP2, that is civilized. Civilized means not wild. Wild, its opposite word is civilized. Very civilized. So these are the unfamiliar words you will find in SGP2. Let me summarize the SGP2 of this story. Students, in the first SGP, we learned that grandfather discovered Timothy when he was on a hunting expedition to Tarai jungle near Dehra. Grandfather brought the tiger with him. Grandmother named the tiger. Grandmother named the tiger Timothy. Timothy was entirely brought up on milk. Mahmud, the writer's cook, the author's cook took the care of Timothy at writer's house. Timothy was given milk at first in a feeding bottle. But what happened? The milk proved too rich for him. Milk proved too rich. Milk was indigestible for Timothy. So Timothy was given raw mutton and cod liver oil. Raw mutton, and then he was given pigeons and rabbits, which were his tempting diet. At writer's house, Timothy had two companions, two friends. One was Toto, the monkey, and another was a mongrel puppy. Mongrel, as I have told you, mongrel is a type of dog breed. So Timothy had two companions, two friends at writer's house. One was Toto, the monkey, and another was mongrel puppy. Grandfather found the mongrel puppy on the road. Timothy's favorite amusement was to stalk anybody who should play with him. The author also became one of his favorites. And Timothy's favorite place at writer's house was the drawing room. There was a long sofa in the drawing room, and most of the time Timothy was lying on the long sofa. Timothy slept in cook's quarters at night. When Timothy became 6 months old, a big change came over him. Timothy became less friendly. When he was 6 months old, he became less friendly. So what did he do? Now he stalked Mahmud. Timothy stalked Mahmud with villainous intent. And the grandfather realized that it was not safe to keep Timothy at home. So he decided to transfer Timothy to a zoo because his wild behavior developed. Timothy's wild behavior developed. He stalked Mahmud with villainous intent. So grandfather decided to transfer Timothy to a zoo. The nearest zoo from the writer's house was Lucknow Zoo, which was 200 miles from the writer's house. So what did grandfather do to take Timothy to the zoo? Now he reserved a compartment in the train so that nobody could share the compartment. he reserved a compartment and handed Timothy to the Lucknow Jew authorities. The Jew authorities were also very glad. They were very glad to receive Timothy because Timothy was very healthy, Timothy was well fed, and Timothy was a civilized tiger. He was not very wild as he was brought at home. He was not brought up in a forest. He was brought up at home. At home. So Timothy was, to some extent, Timothy was civilized. So the Jew authorities were very much glad to receive Timothy because Timothy was well fed, Timothy was healthy, and Timothy was a civilized tiger. This is the summary of the SGP 2 of the story A Tiger in the House. Let us check our comprehension through questions. Comprehension check. The first question is, who named the tiger cub? Who named the tiger cub? The answer is grandmother. Students, you must write the questions and answers in your copies. You must write. Who named the tiger cub? The answer is grandmother. Second question. What was Timothy brought up entirely on? At first Timothy was brought up entirely on milk. Mahmoud, the author's cook, gave him milk in a feeding bottle. So what was Timothy brought up entirely on? Timothy was brought up entirely on milk. Who was Mahmoud? The next question. Mahmoud was author's cook. Mahmoud was author's cook. Next question. Why was Timothy given raw mutton and cod liver oil? At first Timothy was given milk. So why was he given raw mutton and cod liver oil? Because milk proved too rich for him. That means milk proved indigestible for Timothy. So milk was changed. Timothy was given raw mutton and cod liver oil. Next question is, what was the tempting diet for Timothy? Tempting means very attracting food. Pigeons and rabbits. Though Timothy was given raw mutton and cod liver oil, but pigeons and rabbits were his tempting diet. Which were his tempting diet? Which were his tempting diet? His tempting diet was raw mutton and cod liver, pigeons and rabbits. He was given raw mutton and cod liver oil, but pigeons and rabbits were his tempting diet. The next question is who were the two companions of Timothy at writer's house? Who were the two companions of Timothy at writer's house? Who were the two friends? One was Toto the monkey, and the second one was a small mongrel puppy that grandfather found on the road. Who were the two companions of Timothy at writer's house? Toto the monkey and a small mongrel puppy. Next question. Where did the grandfather find the mongrel puppy? Grandfather found the mongrel puppy on the road. Grandfather found the mongrel puppy on the road. Next question. What was Toto like? Toto was very bold by nature, very courageous. Toto was a monkey, but he had enough courage to pull the tail of the tiger, to pull the tiger by the tail. So Toto was very bold. Next question. What did Toto do when Timothy lost his temper? When Timothy became angry? Because Toto pulled the tiger by the tail. So when the tiger became angry, what did Toto do? Now Toto climbed up the curtain to save himself from the tiger. So Toto was very bold by nature. Next question. What was Timothy's favorite amusement? What was Timothy's favorite amusement? To stalk anyone who should play with him. Timothy would stalk anybody. That was his favorite amusement. From that he got enough pleasure. That is why to stalk anyone who should play with him was Timothy's favorite amusement. The next question is, what was his favorite place in writer's house? The drawing room. Most of the time, Timothy was found in the drawing room of the writer's house. So, drawing room was the favorite place of Timothy in the writer's house. Next question. Where was he reclining in the drawing room? Where was he reclining? There was a long sofa in the drawing room, and most of the time Timothy was lying on the long sofa. So Timothy was reclining on the long sofa in the drawing room. Next question. What was Timothy's clean habit? What was his clean habit? To scrub his face with his paws like a cat. He scrubbed his face. He scrubbed his face with his paws like a cat. That was Timothy's clean habit. Next question. Where did Timothy sleep at night? Where did he sleep? At cook's quarters. At cook's quarters. When did a change come over Timothy? When did? When he was only 6 months old, a change over Timothy. What change came over Timothy? What change? He became less friendly. Who became less friendly? Timothy became less friendly when he was 6 months old. What was heard from the poultry house? As you know, at night, Timothy entered the poultry house. So at night, frightening cackling of birds was heard from the poultry house. So the question number 17, what was heard from the poultry house at night? At night, the frenzied means frightening cackling of birds were heard from the poultry house at night. Next question, whom did Timothy stalk with villainous intent? Mahmud. At writer's house, Timothy stalked Mahmud with villainous intent. Why did grandfather decide to transfer Timothy to a Jew? Why did grandfather decide? Because Timothy stalked Mahmud with villainous intent. When Timothy stalked Mahmud with villainous intent, grandfather realized that it was not safe to keep Timothy at house. Which was the nearest Jew from the writer's house? Which was the nearest Jew? The nearest Jew was Lucknow Jew. Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow Jew. Why were the Jew authorities glad to receive Timothy? Grandfather handed Timothy to the Jew authorities. When the Jew authorities received Timothy, they were very glad because Timothy was a well-fed. Well-fed means very healthy and very civilized tiger. Very civilized means Timothy was not at all wild. These are the questions of SGP 2 of this story. So this is for today. Thank you, students. Thank you.